Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a clean beauty subscription box to show you, and it's by the Natural Wellness box. I've just ripped my dress off there. I've previously unboxed two of these boxes on my channel before, so if you know all the information you need to know about this box, I will add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward if you're just curious in seeing what items I received in this box. So the Natural Wellness box is a bi-monthly clean beauty, cruelty-free and vegan subscription box. The box costs £35. There's free shipping within the UK, and it's £9.95 shipping to the rest of Europe. If you opt for the bi-monthly subscription, you can cancel any time, but they also offer a 6-month subscription at £100 and a 12-month subscription for £200. Inside every box you will receive between 5 and 7 products, and you get a mix of healthy beauty skincare, some health supplements and some healthy snacks like crisps and teas and things like that. Every box has a theme, and this box's theme is calm, so we've got a calm edition box. Their main aim is to make you healthy and beautiful from the inside out. So this is going to be a bit of a niche box. It's not going to appeal to everyone. If you're interested in a more holistic approach to your health and well-being, then I definitely recommend checking this box out. They do have past box photos on their website, and also if you're interested in seeing my other 2 videos that I've done, then I'll pop them down in the description, as well as links to the subscription, and if I can find any discount codes as well, I'll pop all that down there. This box was kindly gifted to me in exchange for telling you all about it on my channel. So thank you to the Natural Wellness box for sending this box to me. I'm really grateful, and the past 2 boxes have been really lovely, really nice. So I'm excited to see what the products are inside this month's box. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down in the description, but let's get on to showing you exactly what's inside this box. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek first. Can you see there? On this little leaflet, it tells you everything about the products that are featured inside the box, plus it gives you the price as well. So I'm able to tot it up at the end to give you an overall value. So I'll be referring to this leaflet then with the information on as we go along. So the first item is some snacks, and we've got some plantain chips here, and this is by Purely and naturally salted, low in sugar, high in fibre and potassium, 30% less fat than potato chips, 75 grams, and also vegan. I've tried these before. They are lovely. They're very similar to like dried banana. That's what I would describe it as. It's just really nice. I'm actually on a autoimmune protocol diet at the moment. I do it about twice a year. It's an elimination diet. I do it for about 6 to 8 weeks. Really cut down on my foods. Completely eat clean and healthy. No alcohol. No nothing. No gluten. No dairy. No wheat. No nothing. It's all plant-based foods, meat and vegetables and fruits and things. Normally I like opening my snacks up in videos, but I'm going to save these for a hunger pang next week when the kids are in school. So these will cost you £1.99. High in complex carbohydrates and a good source of fibre, plantains are rich in minerals such as potassium and magnesium, as well as being low in sodium with traces of calcium, iron and vitamins A, B and C and D, making them a healthy snack choice. So there's that. Next we've got a drink, and this is Rescue Remedy by Bumble Zest, and this is ginger, CBD, turmeric and a third of a lemon, cinnamon, a drop of maple and sparkling water. This is vegan and 20 calories. So I'm actually going to try that now. Now I'm not that keen on like gingery things, but I'm curious to see what this is like. Woo! It's quite a lot of ginger in there. Ooh, that is quite strong. Ooh, my word. Let me have another go. Oh, whoa. It's not as bad as I thought. I know that sounds awful, doesn't it? It's not. It's only because I'm not that keen on ginger things. But you can. It tastes all natural. You can taste the lemons in it as well. I love lemons. So yeah, it's a nice refreshing drink actually. But it's not really my taste. But I'll give it a go. I'll carry on drinking it, but if not, I'll give it to my husband because I know that he would like it. So yeah, but it's got CBD in it. Ooh. So this will cost you £1.74, and it's a sparkling water ginger drink with 1.5 milligrams of full spectrum CBD, turmeric infused with other botanical extracts. So there's that. We'll get through the snacks first then, and we'll do the beauty afterwards. So we have got a bar of something, which is this rich cocoa and morello cherry flavour. This is by Love Vegan by Jennifer. It's dairy-free, wheat-free, gluten-free and no added sugar. That sounds absolutely gorgeous. Morella cherry. Oh my gosh. I want to open it now, but no, I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it until I really, really fancy a snack. This will cost you 75p, and it says cocoa and cherry are the perfect combination for that indulgent, guilt-free treat. Dairy-free, wheat-free and gluten-free. So there's that. So I've got a little pouch, and in here is a crystal. Look at this. It's a rose quartz crystal. That is so lovely. I've never seen one so flat. That is so, so nice. Rose quartz gua sha, and it costs £15. The benefits of using include improving circulation, plumper and smoother skin, reduced appearance of wrinkles and increased hydration. Use with gentle stroking actions on the face and neck, taking care around the eyes. Oh wow. In the last box I received, I had a face roller, which is gorgeous. Again, it's like this, it's cold and it's just really nice just going up and down your face. But I never knew rose quartz would do that. I just assumed that the rose quartz was just to bring love into your life. Just nice and cold. Obviously I've got a ton of makeup on, so it's probably not doing anything in particular to my face. It just feels nice. So no, I love this. I love the fact that it's nice and flat, and I'll be giving that a go. So next we've got a Wild Heart Therapy on the Go Tranquil. It's a lavender and rolly aromatherapy roll-on, 10 mils. So this is the outer packaging. So it's a box. What it looks like inside with a little card. And it tells you all about the ingredients. It's 100% essential oils only. Roll on pulse points or palms and inhale. That's what it's like there. It's like a little roller ball on the top, yeah. So let's put it on there. That's nice. It is really nice. I love neroli. I absolutely love it. Really love it. So this will cost you £8.95. Roll onto pulse points or on cupped hands, rub together, inhale therapeutic oils. This beautiful blend of organic botanicals and 12 essential oils are all fully selected for their calming properties. With skin loving vitamin E, this blend is the ultimate tranquil treatment. So there's that. Next we got a everyday facial oil with pure cacao oil by Naya, I think that's how you say it, and it's mixed with patchouli, orange, lemon and juniper berries. Bioactive ingredients, we've got 30 mils there. So it looks like there, you lift that off. Oh my word! Oh my gosh, look at that, it's like a little flower, hold on. It opens up like a little flower, does it? Look, it's like a little flower. That is so cute. That is so cute. Oh, it's the little things that please, isn't it? But no, that's beautiful. I really like that. So this is the oil. So that's what it looks like there. Yeah, gently massage 2 to 3 drops onto your clean face and neck, and don't forget your décolorage. Use it AM or PM. You can layer it over our serum or day cream, and a little goes a long way. I wear face oils all the time, and more so in the winter, say autumn, winter and spring. Summertime, not so much. I mix it with my moisturiser and it just gives my face a sort of glowy, sort of plumped look. Without it, it's a little bit different. So I definitely recommend, if you're around my age, I'm 43, to try a facial oil. If it's too heavy on your face, mix a little bit with moisturiser. Wait until it absorbs into your skin before applying a primer or foundation, and yeah, see what it's like. So everyday facial oil, this will cost you £45. This luxury facial oil can even be worn under makeup and helps to calm, balance and regenerate the skin. Pipette 2 to 3 drops into the palms of your hands, inhale and massage into your slightly damp face, neck and décolorage using fingertips. Treat yourself to a facial massage using your gua sha, which is the heart rose quartz, with this beautiful oil to aid lymphatic drainage and circulation. Wow. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got the Georgian May, and this is the CBD oil, full spectrum, and it says it's a formula includes a high concentration of CBD, minor cannabinoids, 30 plus terpenes, and flavonoids, antioxidants and fatty acids that work together synergistically to create the most effective THC-free formula available. Now, I am super new to CBD oil. Super new. I don't know much about it at all, except that it is huge news at the moment, so I should be looking into it a little bit more. I did watch an amazing video recently by Jen Loves Reviews, and she was talking about CBD oil, so if I can find it I'll pop it down below, and I found it really, really interesting, and it helped me understand a little bit more about it. We got 250 milligrams, and it's a lemon flavour. So this will cost you £35, and it says take a full pipette of the CBD oil under your tongue for a minimum of 1 minute to enable it to enter the bloodstream. CBD oil is well known for helping with anxiety, helping with pain, seizures, supporting cancer treatment, and of course helping to feel calmer. I can't wait to try this. Really, really can't wait. I'm not sure if you know, but I suffer from anxiety. It started about 10 years ago after I had my son. I had my younger son, that is. I had postnatal depression, but in the form of OCD, of obsessive thoughts. Really horrible, nasty thoughts in my mind. And yeah, I find because I've got an underactive thyroid, I've got polycystic ovary syndrome, I find that if my vitamins and minerals and my medication is not right, then my anxiety increases and I have trouble getting to sleep at night, and I have all these like nasty thoughts come in my mind and things. I can control them. I'm a trained counsellor. I had a degree in counselling 3 years ago, so I'm able to sort of control them. I've got strategies. I help myself in a way. Yeah, it's something I have to deal with. I'm not on any medication or anything. I was initially 10 years ago, I was on medication after I had my son, and that helped tremendously, and I've had counselling since, so it has helped a lot. But yeah, it's just something that happens now and again, and it's usually a sign that, come on Claire, let's have your bloods test. I pay privately once a year to have like a full blood count of everything: vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, the lot, all my thyroid profile, everything. So, and I sort of monitor my way that way. But I've also found as well, I'm going off tangent here, but I've recently had this piercing done about 4 weeks ago, and I didn't know at the time that it's an acupressure point. It's called a Shen Men, and it's to help with anxiety and depression. I didn't have a clue. I just fancied having it there. It goes right the way to my back, so it goes through there, and it's tucked in quite neatly just behind my ear. Since I found out about that, I've been more aware of is it helping my anxiety? Is it working? Is it is it working or not? So yesterday, I unfortunately forgot to pick my daughter up from school. She finished half day yesterday, completely forgot. I'm really upset about it actually. She was fine, completely fine. She didn't bring her mobile into school. I found out an hour later, because it just entered my mind. I went to pick her up and she was waiting there. She's quite distressed. All is okay, all was fine. We are now making sure she has got a phone, and so that nothing like that can happen again. Last night then, I couldn't go to sleep. I kept on thinking, what ifs? What if I had completely forgotten? What if she'd been picked up and abducted? And all these irrational, really distressing thoughts. So I started to play with this. I was just playing around with it. I'm not sure whether it's just the distraction and it made me concentrate on something else, or I don't know, but my anxiety lifted. My anxiety did lift. So I'm going through it a little bit at the moment with my anxiety, so I think I'm going to give that a go and see what that is like. So yeah, so sorry about all the chats there. Those are all the products inside this month's box, so I'll just gather them all up. So the snacks first, we've got some plantain chips, we've got a Rescue and Remedy health drink, then we've got Marilla Cherry chew bar as well, so there's those three. Then the beauty products, we've got a Naya facial oil, then we got a rose quartz gua sha, then we got a Wild Heart Therapy on the Go Plus Point Aromatherapy roll-on, and then lastly we've got a George and May CBD oil in lemon flavour that you put under your tongue. So there's 4 products there. So to recap, this box costs £35, free shipping within the UK, £9.95 to Europe, and it's bi-monthly, so it's every other month. I think that looking at the products to the side of me here, I think we've got a really good mix. I think this box is made for me, besides the drink. Not keen on the drink, but yeah, I have had a little bit more and I'm going to give it to my husband. But the snack bar and the plantain chips I'm going to save for next week. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Is it a box that takes your fancy? Do you subscribe to this box? Do you like this box? All your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.